Okay, this is the model we are going to create using the SolidWorks. Okay, let's open the part file, file new, part drawing. Okay, I'm going to select the front plane 8443, make it normal, sketch, center rectangle, (8443), dimensioning 8443. Okay, there's a line in 12 millimeters, the 12 millimeter dimensioning. Yeah. Then I'm going to draw the vertical center line. Vertical line, then incline line, and I'm going to dimension this from the center to this line. The dimension is equal 58 divided by 2. Then for this line it is equal to 7. Okay. Then I am going to mirror these entities around this vertical axis about this vertical axis, then the entities to mirror these two lines. Okay, now our sketch is okay. We have a fully defined sketch for extrusion. Then features, extrude, then select these areas. The two direction, okay. Then select this face, then make it normal, sketch, vertical center line, infinite length. Center rectangle, thickness 12. From the top to this height is equal 21. Extrude features, extrude cut through all. Okay, this is how we are creating this model using the SolidWorks.